Ako po si Jocelyn Villaroya, 44 years old. Tsaka may anak akong CP na si John Lloyd Villaroya. Nasa ako na po siya, regular class ngayon. Paano siya? Grade 2. Mahirap pero masarap kasi maraming nagpupuri sa'yo na gano'n na swerte yan. Nakita siya na, oh, pilay yung mga bata.
iEmpower is a program on wellness, empowerment, and rehabilitation, and it started on our 3rd year in our Global Health and Innovation class. And basically, it's a program that tries to help these kids with motor disabilities. Specifically, it started with cerebral palsy, kids with cerebral palsy. We're working with CBR Smile, or Center-Based Rehabilitation. Samahan ng mga magulang, iniingatan ang lahat ng mga batang espesyal. We learned of this community through our class, specifically through our professor, Dr. John Wong.
Meron kaming libreng physical therapy, meron kaming learning center-based, tapos nag-ano din kami, mayroon din kaming mga binibigay na educational assistance ng mga batang pumapasok sa SPED Normal School. At meron din kaming binibigay tulong, maintenance ng mga batang, mayroon silang gamot na maintenance sa kanilang pagsisisure dito sa Payatas.
So we partnered with Company of Ateneo Dancers, or CADS, and through them we were able to create these dance videos.
Subukin natin. Ang una nating galaw ay tinatawag na hawak kamay. Ito ang paglagay ng ating kamay paharap at palikod.
Very beginning, we went to the center around 1 to 2 times a month. First, to hear about the community, hear about their problems, and what these children actually face in their everyday lives. And from there, we thought of the iEmpower program. And in implementing it, first we went here to first measure the range of movement, like how far they can stretch their arms, they can move their legs, so that we have a baseline. We have a baseline data.
Mas na-enjoy ko po siya kasi po maganda po siya kasi yung nakakatulong po sa akin. Pag tumatayo po ako, sumasayaw din po ako. Sinasabayan ko po yung nasa TV po pag piniplay po ni Mama yung DVD po.
At the end of 6 months, we came back, we measured again, and to see if there's a difference between baseline. And from our observations, we discovered there's a 65% improvement from the kids.
Malaking tulong yung kasi na-exercise niya yung kamay niya. Hindi lang gaano sa paa kasi hindi pa siya walang balanse. Pero sa paa, okay siya. Nagagamit niya sa kamay.
We've agreed on having a renting system with portable DVD players so that they can bring the therapy to their own homes. And at the same time, we also need funds to create more dance videos. The crowdfunding campaign started last month in June. And hopefully we wanted to gather funds to be able to buy portable DVD players and for succeeding dance videos.
Gusto kong matuloy yung proyekto na ganyang empowered kasi kailangan ng anak ko, lalong-lalo na ganyan ang sitwasyon niyang wala pang balanse, kailangan niyang laging exercise.
Gusto ko po maraming videos pa po kasi para makatulong po, para makalakad na po ako.
With this therapy, we see from the kids that they actually want to do it. And for those who don't experience it, hopefully that these funds will actually be able to help them and hopefully empower them in doing activities of daily living through the therapy.
Salamat po.